Hello everyone, welcome back to another session of concept learning with MathBuddy. We're going to be looking at area of a trapezium in this session. We'll be using this kit, area of a trapezium kit, and it contains two pieces. So if you open it, you'll see that it contains two pieces. So first thing that we need to do is basically arrange these pieces in the form of a trapezium. Very straightforward. So if you arrange these pieces like this, it becomes a trapezium, right? Now once you arrange this in the form of a trapezium, I would suggest just mark down the sides. Let's say the top of this is A, and let's say the bottom side of this is B. Okay, so the top of that is A and the bottom side is B, right? Now what we have done is we have taken the trapezium and we have split it exactly into half, right? So if the height of the trapezium, if this whole height was h, what is the height of this half? It's nothing but h by 2, right? So how do we find the area of this trapezium? So to find the area of the trapezium, what we do is we rearrange these pieces such that this piece comes down here, right? Now once we bring these pieces like this, again I'll just write down the height. So the height of this was h by 2, right? So this is also h by 2, right? Now this is a parallelogram. You can see that, right? Now what is the area of a parallelogram? Area of a parallelogram is base into height. What is a base? You've got a side which is B and then another side which is A. So this whole length is A plus B, right? Which is nothing but sum of the two parallel sides. So you have side here and this side was parallel to this. So when we started off, it was like this, right? So A and B were the parallel sides. So we need to add the lengths of the two parallel sides. That will be the base of the parallelogram. And then the height of the parallelogram is nothing but half the height of the trapezium. So we had the full height of the trapezium as h. Since we split it exactly at half the height of the trapezium is h by 2. So what is the area of this parallelogram? It's base into height, or A plus B into h by 2, right? So A plus B, I'll just erase this properly, into h by 2, right? So that is same as the area of the trapezium, because we just took this trapezium and we converted into this parallelogram. So area of the trapezium is nothing but sum of the two parallel sides, sum of the lengths of the two parallel sides multiplied by height of the trapezium and then divided by half. So we write this as half into h, which is the height of the trapezium, into sum of the parallel sides. Okay, so I hope you got a very good understanding of how we get the area of the trapezium formula, right? So using this formula, you can find the area of any trapeziums. So I hope you enjoyed this activity. You can try out some practical examples from your textbook. You can put in the different sides and find the area of the trapezium. If you have any questions, you can always write to us at support@mathbuddyonline.com and we'll be happy to help you.